I'm looking forward to welcome chemical recycling as well on large scale next to mechanical recycling. They complement each other, I think. We as designers sometimes need to make decisions where recycled materials based upon mechanically recycling are simply not an option. Or the architecture has to be made in such way some materials cannot be retrieved by mechanical recycling while still having enough commercial value adding to the market. And in these cases, we could consider design for chemical recycling as very welcome next to mechanical recycling.
The quality of the material which is coming out of a ChemCycling process is absolutely equal to the primary raw material. And that's, let's say, needed for a lot of appliances we are talking about as household appliance industry. For example, all the appliances that are in contact with food, we have to make sure that there is really nothing in which is chemically problematic and that can then appear in the food of our customers. That's why for those plastic streams, chemical recycling is something we look into the future, but it has to be scaled up. At the moment, the capacities are under exceeding the demand we would have for recycled plastics.
We need quality materials, and the big challenge, I think, is one of the big challenges are aesthetics. To be able to use light colors without impurities and stuff like that. And then I think that we do see continuous evolution and improvement over the years. Sorting processes are becoming better, filtering, other processes to get cleaner materials, the more useful. And then I think it's important to distinguish between what we expect or what we hope for is that there is a bit of a buzz around something called what is called chemical recycling. But in reality, that is just still mostly a hypothesis or a pilot scale projects. And we see that basically, if not all, like, I don't know if it's 98 to 99% of all recycled plastic is mechanically recycled. And we believe that for the future, that will probably remain like this. We understand that there's an expectation and hopes on chemical recycling, but for the moment, we should still continue to focus on mechanical recycling. One reason is that the chemical recycling has some challenges when it comes to the carbon footprint, and from our point of view, it's not sufficient just to recycle the material. It should also be done as efficiently as possible.